Hi friends! In this video we'll practically demonstrate how to perform the root pass, hot pass, fill passes, and cap pass using flux core welding on two beveled plates positioned vertically. We will use plate thickness, 10 millimeters, angle of bevels 22 degrees, gap for welding 3 millimeters, and root face dash 1.5 millimeters.
This is the distance at which you need to drive the wave liquid metal in front of you, about 1.5 millimeters. Move the wire only to the beginning of the edges. The metal in the weld pool will stretch itself onto the edge. During flux core welding, pay close attention to the welding torch angle and the movement of the wire. Rear view of flux core welding, in other words, performing the root pass using flux core welding. The wire is here. Flowing. Silicon plaque. Now our root weld is complete. As you can see, the weld bead is uniform in size and hasn't spread too far to the sides, it has primarily fused the root faces together. Let's now take a look at how the root weld appears from the backside. The root bead is consistent in size throughout the entire length of the weld. Its height is approximately 1.2 millimeters. Before starting the hot pass, and to ensure the quality of our weld, we clean the cap area of the root pass. This step helps remove any slag or impurities that may be left in the weld. Leave about 1.5 to 2 millimeters. I also make sure that the metal here does not reach the edge of 1.5 to 2 millimeters. As the bevels open wider to the sides, the width of the weld area increases. To ensure our weld remains uniform in size and to achieve full fusion of the beveled joint surfaces, we need to move the welding torch more slowly. This is the weld performed before the welding cap. Now, we'll clean the surface of this weld and proceed with applying the weld cap. Our weld is now complete, and as you can see, the weld cap looks excellent. Now, to check the quality of the weld, we're cutting out the welded section of the plate along the weld line. We've cut out the welded piece, and the internal structure of the weld looks very good, there are no visible defects. Share your thoughts about our weld in the comments below, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And check out more welding videos right here on our channel.